Hey guys, this is Bunny. Welcome to the healthy journey, guys. And guys, you know what? Today in this video, we will see how you can train your body to do push-ups, because there are many people out there who find it too much difficult to perform the basic push-ups, and as a result, they simply don't do it. Oops. So what you have to do, simply just start training your body for push-ups. All you need is just a wall. Stand closer to the wall, put your hands on it, and start training your body like this. So this is going to be the first level for push-ups if you really want to learn it. Well, after performing the wall push-up for around a week or two, you have to raise the level of your difficulty. What you have to do, simply reduce the level of the height of your hands. You can use a stool or anything, at least up to the level of your feet. And even if you find it a bit more difficult, what you can do is you can use anything which is at the height of your belly. So I'm directly coming to this level after the wall. Put your hands on it and start training your body. Practice this push-ups for another 2-3 weeks. After this, you have to reduce the height of your hands a little more. So over here I have a pan kept upside down. Let's do it. Alright, now after this, reduce the height of your hands even more. Let's see how. This is it, simple. And after this, your body is perfect. Your body will gather perfect strength. Your body is ready to perform the push-ups. Let's do it simply on the floor. Alright, now from here, if you want to increase the level of difficulty, what you have to do, stop decreasing the height of your palms. You have to start increasing the height of your feet. Let's see how. Simply put the feet at a certain level like this and then perform push-ups. Okay, now guys, if you want to improve it, if you want to increase the level of difficulties, if you want to face more challenges in push-ups, simply increase the height of your feet. And now perform the push-ups. Okay, now even after this, if you want to add more difficulties to it, simply we have this over here. Let's do it. Alright, well guys, when you are at this level, and trust me guys, to come to this level, you have to give it some time. 3-4 weeks to the wall, 3-4 weeks to this level, then this level, then this level, and then reverse. Simple. It takes time. Everything takes time in this world. If you want to build something, you have to give it a time. Well guys, now I'm going to increase some more difficulties to it. So this is going to be the advanced level, and trust me guys, this is the first time I'm going to do this. Let's see whether I will be able to do it or not. Alright guys, well, I hope so you found it well and you found it great. So guys, if you really want to learn the push-ups and you are afraid of doing push-ups, you can start doing it with the help of a wall, and then step by step you can follow all these steps. Well guys, I hope so that this is too much for the day. We'll meet in some another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you, and have a ball.